PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer is an easy-to-use product with rapid kill times and is formulated both for non-food and food contact surfaces. Instructions for use on non-food contact surfaces. Remove any particles or visible soils from the surface. Apply PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer 6 to 8 inches from the surface until thoroughly wet. Ensure the entire surface has come into contact with the sanitizer. Let the product stand for 30 seconds and wipe. No rinse is required. Instructions for use on food contact surfaces. Remove any particles or visible soil from the surface. Apply PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer 6 to 8 inches from the surface until thoroughly wet. Ensure the entire surface has come into contact with the sanitizer. Let stand for 60 seconds. These test strips provide a simple, reliable, and economic means to measure the level of active ingredient concentration in PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer. Each kit is comprised of 6 individual strips, test instructions, and a color matching chart for easy use. For reusable towel storage, when the reusable towel is not in use, store in the sanitizing solution. PURELL, the name you trust for the surfaces they touch.